Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch. First thing we need to do is to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears on the screen, you can scroll through it, find the reboot option, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on reboot, or rather on the checkmark to confirm. And after you confirm, the watch will start rebooting. Let's wait until it's done. And here we have it. That's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.